welcome to part 3 of this thing. And let's see what's inside this cool little thing right here. Last time I got stuck on how to open this, and oh boy, this one came in broken. Look at that. I know this is not how you're supposed to open it, and it is broken right there. Not a huge biggie, but still, you know. I'm gonna have to replace this with one of those cool... Whoa, what did I do? What did I do? No, don't scratch the screen, will you? Okay, it comes with 3 of the other fun antennas that I liked from the other kits. The mushroom antenna here, the patch antenna, and the regular 5.8 gigahertz antennas, and the charging cable, as well as this to hopefully connect it up to the TV. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, good stuff.
Likey.